Hi everyone, welcome back to Priya's Tech Show. This is Priyankar, your trainer for the IT Tips series. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. That I feel happy for that. So without wasting much time, let's start today's episode. This is Bob. He needed to buy a laptop, so he went to a laptop store. He met a salesman and he told that he needs to buy a laptop. Salesman asked, "Hey, what are the tasks that you plan to do with the laptop?" Bob told that I am going to use Microsoft Office package, surf internet, and watch YouTube videos. After a few minutes discussion, salesman realizes that Bob knows nothing about laptops. So he told Bob, I will give you a quotation. This is very cheap and very suitable for your task. So he gave Bob a quotation, which cost $2,000. It is a Razer Blade 15 gaming laptop, Intel Core i7 9750H6 core processor with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics. So Bob is happy now because he thinks he got a best laptop for his needs with a cheap price. While he walks towards his home, I met Bob. So I asked Bob, why you seem very happy? He told me the story and showed me the quotation. Oh my god, I shocked. A gaming laptop for a just use Office package? I got the point, what salesman thinks. So I explained Bob how to select the best laptop for his needs. Here we go. I will share those details with you. Well. Actually, how to select the best laptop? Number 1. Think what you plan to do with the laptop. For what purpose do you need a laptop? Number 2. What is your budget? Laptop prices and the task it can be done is mainly based on its CPU. How can you select? See my laptop selection guide. Someone thinks, I want a simple laptop that does the basics. Browse in the web, read emails, social networking, use Microsoft Office, and sometimes watching movies. The trusty old Intel Core i3 should be able to serve you all. It is a low-cost processor and it also energy efficient, so it will give you a long battery life. You can get 4 GB of RAM is suitable. You could have one between $400 to $500 range. Someone thinks, I want to do a whole lot of things simultaneously and get my college assignments done. Watching movies, listening to music, social networking, browsing the web, Microsoft Office, some gaming, and specialized software depending on the course. For students, we would suggest the Intel Core i5 depending on your needs. You could have 8 GB of memory with it. So you can have one between $500 to $600 range. A gamer think, I want to play the latest games with no drop in frame rates. He needs gaming, screen recording, internet chat, intense multitasking. You can go for a Core i5 or i7 laptop with H series CPU. You have to buy SSD hard drive with 16 GB of memory. You should buy with a laptop with external graphics like NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. So you could have one around $2,000. A professional think, I want a beast that handle my intense workload. He needs coding, video editing, 3D modeling. Actually, graphic designers, video editors, coders and architects like professionals need pure horsepower. If you are one of these, it is better go for an Intel Core i9 processor with 32 GB of RAM with the external graphic card. So you could have one between $2,500 to $4,000 range. Please note that these prices I got from Amazon website. All prices mentioned here in US dollars, and please convert them into your local currencies.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.